afternoon, guys. Today, I'm gonna lay right here, mommy.
Okay.
No, he's tired, guys. It's been a very long day, and today we're gonna do a story time. Okay. Today, when we woke up, we rushed because I had an appointment in Nashville, so it was a very long drive.
Up in paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hope we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hope we'll meet again. Oh, shaboom, 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 shaboom.
Today, I think it was a special day because Jacob, he got to meet some baby birds. But the sad part is that one of the birds came out of the nest, or got out of the nest, and somebody stepped on it, or I don't know what happened exactly, but all the little guts came out of the baby bird, which is so sad. The kids were really sad when they saw it. So I really didn't show it to Jacob because I feel like he was gonna cry. Because the other day we saw a deer that was in the side of the road, and we had to stop because some cars were coming. You know how you guys have to stop whenever they have a funeral, when they have a funeral, and there's a lot of cars passing. You have to stop. Well, my bad luck. I stopped right next to a deer that was dead on the side of the road, and Jacob started crying his eyes out because he thought something was wrong with it, and I just told him that it was leaping, so that calmed him down a little bit.
Audio Jungle. Audio
also got to have some fun with his cousin. He's about the same age as him. He's just a year older. They're a year apart. And that's about it. Family came over to his house. We had tacos and chicken quesadillas and stuff like that. And then just chilled with the family, and now we're here. So that was our story for today. Thank you for watching, and please share, subscribe, and like this button. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good night, Jacob Bear. Good night, Jacob Bear. Oh, you're